Superior Court for the State of Illinois is now in session. The Honorable Judge Arlen Jessup presiding.
Be seated. We have case 10685, People versus Holden Snyder.
Roger Carter for the People, Your Honor.
Tom Hughes, Jessica Griffin for the defense, Your Honor.
Thank you. Now, by arrangement with Judge Reinhardt, Mr. Snyder has agreed to waive his right to a trial by jury and proceed before the court. For the record, Mr. Snyder, you are aware that you have that right under the Constitution and that you are waiving it without coercion.
Yes, Your Honor.
You are not under the influence of drugs or alcohol as you make this decision, are you?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Now, a word to counsel before we begin. Since we're proceeding without a jury, and since Judge Reinhardt was taken ill and we haven't had a chance to confer, I want you both to understand that I'm going to allow a certain latitude in presentation of testimony. However, gentlemen, I urge you both not to try your luck or my patience in this. Mr. Carter, you may begin.
Your Honor, the People will show that on November 20th of 1997, the defendant, Holden Snyder, was responsible for a fire in the Milltown Baptist Church on Center Street in Milltown. In this fire, one woman was killed and later a premature baby was lost. We're not claiming that Mr. Snyder willfully caused this tragedy. However, we do contend that it occurred because of an assault Mr. Snyder was making on his former lover, Molly Conlon. We will prove that Mr. Snyder hated Miss Conlon, who was trying to between him and the woman who is now his wife. Eyewitnesses will state that he was seen fighting with Miss Conlon in the very place the fire started only moments before the fire began. In a fit of rage, he beat her brutally, knocked her against the shed where some paints and solvents were stored. The solvents then spilled and the fire was ignited. We will introduce physical evidence of the altercation between Mr. Snyder and Miss Conlon. His skin was found under her fingernails when she tried to fight back against his vicious assault. In addition, we have witnesses, including a police officer, who will testify that Mr. Snyder has a history of violent behavior and that he and Miss Conlon fought many times in public. In short, Your Honor, we will show that Holden Snyder is a man who has no control over his rage, who is a menace.
You keep your cool, Holden. But just as you lose your temper, you're going to confirm everything that the DA said.
Guilty of assault and the felony of murder.